Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I hope everyone they had a beautiful weekend. Yes, we've seen a trailer of Uthando Nestembu Uncut. We are seeing here Umangwabe telling Umawande that the divorce is still going ahead. Yes, we are seeing Umawande crying so badly. It is so emotional seeing here, such in so much tears, seeing that this thing is not sitting well with her, that her parents are divorcing, and she's even asking her mom that, are you divorcing because now there's number 5 coming? And it's just tears and tears from Umangwabe and tears from Umawande. Kaloku we thought Umangwabe was staying, as we saw after season 8. She had said that she was doing Umusamseleko a goodbye event, and then we saw them, they continued. Also, she still had her ring on, so we thought, no, she's gonna stay. But no, coming this uncut season, we are seeing Umawande saying that no, it is over. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.